Welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread for the sowing and growing in May. Let's see what we've got going. Got quite a lot of stuff in the mini greenhouse. We've planted, we've sown, we've got growing on. So let's go and have a look. So far for May, we've managed to pot on the chillies, and these have looked pretty good. Quite good for early May. Not quite as big as I'd hoped planting out, but a few of these were sort of late starts, so some have started earlier than others. This is the chilly side of the little mini lean-to greenhouse. We've got Hungarian black, two there, Mirch masala, and a couple of habanero Tobago here, which are looking really nice. I'm going to give these a feed as well. These are the new potting mix. This is 1/3 perlite, 1/3 compost mixture, 1/3 vermiculite. But that's looking really good. Nice and free draining. I don't want them to have their roots in water this year. I'm going to stagger these pots so they don't rain on each other. And I water them, and I'm not going to have them standing in trays this year. We're going to have these slightly on the thirstier side this year. But that's that row. And down here, got a row of cayenne, 2 cayenne, and 2 early jalapeno. The early jalapeno really rocketed well for me last year, so hoping again we get some nice jalapenos. After that, we've got, this is a bit of a success with the heritage tomato seed. This is the 2 plants of the black crim seed that we saved last year from an allotment neighbour who gave us really nice tomato, and we saved the seed. And I thought I'd started this too early. You can see weather's nice and warm today, and the flower buds have just started on these. We've been nipping the little side shoots out and getting it supported. So we'll have just 2 of those in here, and then again we've got another heritage variety called Spanish Globe. These are a little bit behind these 2 here. You'll be able to see this one a little bit better. Just under this container was an offshoot of a broken Spanish Globe. So keeping that quite humid, hoping it'll regrow nicely. So we'll give those a nice weed today. And we've got another tray of the Golden Queen lettuce, which we're going to go and put out of the allotment. Some early started beetroot and a horrible weed amongst them. Naughty little thing. Come out. Yeah, temperature in here today is what? We're on here. 32 degrees in the 33 degrees in the tunnel with the door open all day. And these are 2 of the black crim tomatoes that I'm going to take up to the allotment and trial these outside without being undercover. But here you can see, I actually saw a video online the other day that said it's actually a misnomer that tomatoes can grow a root from every single hair nodule. They can grow extra roots, as you'll see here, but it's not necessarily from the hairs. It's from these nodules. We'll take these to the plot and get them planted out, and we'll trial those as an outdoor variety. To go with those, we've just pricked out and potted on a few more that we'll trial out at the allotment plot. Just give them a bit of a space. We'll probably support them kind of Florida weave sort of structure. But this is San Marzano, Cura de Blue, Tigrella, Alicante, Red Cherry. I really want the red cherry to work. I really want some cherry tomatoes this year. And the Roma. Roma was a bit of a failure last year. It was between blossom end rot and blight. We just put it in too late, so I'm going to get these just potted on, get some roots on them and get them out quick at the plot as soon as we can. But that is everything in the polytunnel so far. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. We've got the chilies. Try not to overcrowd it with tomatoes this year. We'll have a few things that we will keep on moving through. There's transplants and things. Yeah, not looking bad at all. Particularly happy with the chilies. After that, we've just started a new lot of leeks. Get those hopefully in where the broad beans will be coming out, maybe the new potatoes, one or the other. And here we've got a few leftover seedlings of some chilies, plug them with some friends. There's a couple of aubergines. We'll maybe see if we get those potted on. Aubergine didn't work really for us last year, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, they'll be a bit better. So, greenhouse looking pretty good. I'm quietly confident we'll get some nice tomatoes this year. Some outdoor varieties too. So if you like what you've seen today so far on the May Sowing Growing, then I'd be grateful if you give the video a thumbs up. That'll help the algorithm get the video shown to other people who are interested in this kind of content. If you have any comments or suggestions, then as usual, pop them down below. If you've started any leeks late, or chilies which are catching up, or peppers, then put them down in the comments below. And if you do put a thumbs up and a comment on today's video, then I can guarantee 125% girthier leeks in your harvest next year. Wouldn't think that, would you? But pop a like and a comment below, and I'll see what I can do. Cheers. So yes, a big shout out to Kitchen Garden Garden on the Discord. That's Kerry. He's one of the, I think, winners of the Northern Queen lettuce competition, and kindly sent some gigantas beans and some lazy housewife, which we've potted on. And these are looking great. So thanks, Kerry, for sending that seed. That's really appreciated. Really looking forward to trying these gigantas and the lazy housewife, and we'll keep the seed ourselves and keep those going for next year. So really looking forward to those. And then after that, we've got another two heritage varieties, Angel, French Bean, and Blauhilde. Probably carry on the rest of that tray with Blauhilde. Angel was from the Heritage Seed Library, and Blauhilde was from Dobby's, or Dobie's seed catalogue and the heritage range. So yeah, really looking forward to trying those, and thanks to Kerry, the subscriber, for the channel, sending those seeds, because that's really appreciated. So thanks for watching today. Hope you've liked it. We'll get a few more videos on the sowing and growing for every month, sort of about midway through each month if we can. Thanks for watching today. If you haven't subscribed, I'd be grateful if you'd press the subscribe button below, and you'll get notified the next time we've got a video, either a home brewing or a home baking or a home growing video. So if you haven't, then press the subscribe button and you'll get notified of the next video. So thanks for watching today. There's one other video I'd like you to watch, which hopefully will pop up suggested here, which will be the tour for April, which we managed to get in just before the end of the month. But we'll get one for May when everything's growing. Can't wait to get down after the bank holiday weekend we had away, and we'll get to see how things have grown in the on the allotment for the May tour. If you watch the video for the April tour, I'll be really grateful. Cheers. Thanks. See you later. Bye.